Hi dear friends, welcome to Abhijit Sana Maths channel. If you like my videos, then please subscribe the channel and thanks for subscribing. Today we are discussing about the simultaneous linear equations. Before understanding simultaneous linear equations, we have to understand what are the linear equations whose description is given in the link. Linear equations are those equations, the equation which has two variables and for each variable their degree is 1, that equations called as linear equation. We know this is the definition of linear equation, but simultaneous linear equations are when we take set of two linear equations for operating. These two linear equations are called as simultaneous linear equation. Here the example number 1, which is given that solve the following simultaneous equation, which is 5x minus 3y equals to 8 and 3x plus y equals to 2. These are two linear equations. The set of two linear equations, also called as simultaneous linear equations. We have to find out the solution of these two simultaneous linear equations. It can be calculated by two ways. One way is by eliminating the variable and another way by substituting. This problem is solved by two methods here. First method, the elimination method. 5x minus 3y equals to 8 is a first equation. Write down here. Now 3x plus y equals to 2 is the second equation. Now the important thing is that check the coefficient of the variables and check if they are equal. If they are not equal, make them equal, and after that you do the operations. Now the coefficient of x is 5. Here the coefficient of x is 3, means 5 and 3 are distinct, means the coefficient of x are not equal. Now check the coefficients of y. Here the coefficient of y is 3 and coefficient of y is 1. They are not equal. If the coefficients of variables are not equal, then make it equal. Either bring 5 here by multiplication or bring 3 here by multiplication. It is hard to bring 5 by multiplication, but it is easy to bring 3 here by multiplication. We can bring 3 here, the coefficient as coefficient, by multiplying this equation 2 by 3 to the both sides. Therefore multiplying both the sides of the equation 3 we get. Now the second equation is 3x plus y equals to 2. Now multiplying by 3, it will get 9x plus 3y equals to 6. Now the equation 2 is transformed into equation 3 by multiplying 3 by both sides. Now we get 9x plus 3y equals to 6. This is third equation, which is transformed equation, and 5x minus 3y equals to 8, which is first equation. Now here the coefficients of y are equal. This is the operation which is very important to do. That's why we did that operation. Now checking the signs of these terms, here 3y, here also 3y, that is positive 3y and this is negative 3y, means these signs plus and minus are opposite. That's why add these two equations. If they are equal, means both of signs are equal, then subtract, and if the signs are opposite, then add them. Now let add the equation 1 and add equation 3. The equation 5x minus 3y equals to 8 is the first equation, and 9x plus 3y equals to 6. Add these two terms. Now 5x plus 9x equals to 14x, minus 3y and plus 3y get cancelled, it will becomes 0. 8 plus 6 equals to 14. Now 14x equals to 14, then x will be equals to 1. How? X equals to 14 divided by 14 equals to 1. Now we get the value of x equals to 1 by substituting the value of x equals to 1 in equation 1. You can put the value of x in any equation, but for easy manner we are putting this equation in 2. 3x plus y equals to 2 is a second equation. Here x equals to 1 means there is x, there put x equals to 1. 3 into 1 plus y equals to 2. Now 3 into 1 equals to y plus as it is, y as it is equals to 2. Now y equals to, now this 3 on change of the sides it will becomes minus 3, 2 minus 3 will become minus 1. Here the solution is x equals to, what we get, the value of x is 1, x equals to 1, and we get the value of y equals to minus 1. Therefore write down x. It is also written as x comma y. Also you can write in the form of x comma y, the value of x is 1 comma value of y is minus 1. Now we have to solve the same problem with the substitution method. Here the equation first is 5x minus 3y equals to 8. This is the first equation. 3x plus y equals to 2 is the second equation. Now this is the substitution method. Now take 3x plus y equals to 0. Here y, by changing this side, on going to right hand side it will becomes 2 minus 3x, like this. We get these steps, means y equals to 2 minus 3x, which is equation 3. Now this is y equals to 2 minus 3x is the value of y. The value of y we get is 2 minus 3x, means we can put the value of y in equation and find the value of x. This is called as the substitution method. Now by substituting the value of y, that is 2 minus 3x, in equation 1, now write down the equation 1, that is 5x minus 3y equals to 8. Here we have written here. Now 5x minus 3, the value of y is 2 minus 3x, means there where is y, we can put the value of y by 2 minus 3x. Here the value of y is changed or substituted by 2 minus 3x equals as it is, and 8 also as it is. Now 5x as it is, minus as it is, 3 into 2 it will become 6, minus into minus it will become plus. Now 3 into 3x will be 9x equals to 8. 9x equals to 8. Now 5x plus 9x it will become 14x, minus 6 as it is, equal as it is, and this is 8 also as it is. Now 14x equals to, now minus 6 changes the side, it will become plus 8, plus 6 it will becomes plus 6. Now 8 plus 6 it will become 14. Now the 14x equals to 14. Now hence x equals to 1. Substituting x equals to 1 in equation 3, or we can put the in equation 1 also, in equation 2 also, or in equation 3 also, where you feel convenient, put the value of this x in that equation. Now y equals to 2 minus 3x, y equals to 2 minus 3 into the value of x is 1, that's why here it is substituted by 1. Now y equals to 2 minus 3 into 1, it is 3. Now y equals to 2 minus 3 equals to minus 1. Now we get the value of x equals to 1 and the value of y equals to minus 1 is the solution, or we can put the values like x comma y, it means 1 comma minus 1 like also. Example 2, solve 3x plus 2y equals to 29, 5x minus y equals to 18. Write down equation number first, 3x plus 2y equals to 29 as first, and 5x minus y equals to 18 as 2. Now by comparing or by checking the coefficients are equal or not, we find that 3 is the coefficient of x and 5 is the coefficient of x. These are not equal. The coefficient of y is 2. Here the coefficient of y is minus 1 or 1. Now we can easily make by multiplying equation 2 on both sides. Here we can bring easily 2. Okay, then we have to multiply equation number 2 by 2 on both sides. by 2 on both sides. Multiply equation number 2 by 2 on both sides means multiply 2 from this side and multiply 2 from this sides. Now here 5x into 2 means write down 2 here minus as it is. Now y into also 2 means here 2 will come, right, equals to 18 into 2 means here write down 2. Now 5 into 2 it will be 10x minus as it is 2 into y it will be 2y equals to 18 into 2 it will becomes 36, right here 36, which is equation number 3. Now we make the coefficients are equal but the signs are opposite. Here plus comes and here minus comes. That's why we have to add equation number 1 and equation number 3, which is the transforming form of equation number 2. Now adding equation number this is 3x plus 2y equals to 29, which is 1, and we have to add third number equation, which is the third number equation. This is, it means here will comes 10x minus 2y equals to 36. Now 10x plus 3 it will be 13x, it will be 13x, and plus 2y minus 2y will get cancelled. Now 29 and 36 will be, that is 5 here and 65. Thirteen x equals to 65, then x will be equals to, then 65 divided by 13, it will, the value of x we get is 5. 13 5s are 65, therefore x equals to 5. Here we get the value of x is 5. Now substituting the value of x equals to 5 in any one equation from 3 equation, it will be very convenient to find the value of y by putting the equation number 1. That's why substituting the value of x in equation number 1, the equation number 1 is 3x plus 2y equals to 29 here. Now 3. Now put the value of x as 5, therefore x it will be 5 plus as it is 2y as it is 29 also as it is. Now 3 5s are 15 plus 2y as it is equals to 29, then 2y equals to 29 minus 15. Now change of this side, it will be 29 minus 15, 5 3s are 15, write down 15 here, plus 2y equals to 29. Now the value of 2y as it is equals to 29 also as it is. Now change of this side, plus 15 will becomes minus 15, 2y equals to 29 minus 15 will become 14, therefore y equals to that 14 divided by 2. Here it was multiplication, on change of side it will be divided by 2. The value of y what we get is 7. Now the value of x we get is 5, write down here, and the value of y we get is 7, write down here, and 5 and 7 is the solution of this simultaneous linear equations. Now moving to solved example number 3. Solve 15x plus 17y equals to 21, 17x plus 15y equals to 11. Now we observe this simultaneous equation. We will observe that 15x here and here 15y means these two linear equations are formed due to exchange of the variables. Such type of example seems difficult, but it is very easy. Now how to solve such type of equations? Write down 15x plus 17y equals to 21, which is equation number 1. 17x plus 15y equals to 11, equation number 2. Here we observe that these are forms by exchanging the variables. Now if such type of problem appears in front of you, the operation first do addition and the next operation subtraction, collect both the results of addition and subtractions, and then you solve the problem. Now moving to the solution part, let's add two given equations. We have to add first, then we have to subtract. Then 15x plus 17y equals to 21 plus 17x plus 15y equals to 11. Now 15x plus 17x, it will be 32x plus 17 plus 15y, it will be 32y. 21 plus 11, it will be 32. Now here 32 is common, we will get 32 common outside 32. Now remaining will be x plus y equals to 32. Now cancel this 32, or by change of side here it will be on division, it will be 32 divided by 32, it will be 1. Then we will get x plus y equals to 1, which is the equation number 3. We can see here by operating we get x plus y equals to 1, which is third equation. Now subtract first and second equation. Here let's subtract equation 2 from equation 1. 15x plus 17y equals to 21 and 17x minus plus 15y equals to 11. Now subtraction, when we do the subtraction, the sign of these changes. Here plus 17 converts into minus 17, plus 15 converts into minus 15, here plus 11 converts into minus. Now 15x, now left this sign, don't suppose this sign. Now 15x minus 17x, it will be minus 2x. Now 17y minus 15y, it will be 2y. Left this sign, don't use this sign, don't suppose this sign. Now 21 minus 11, it will becomes 10. Then by taking 2 common, we will get minus x plus y equals to 2 into 5. Now 2 and 2 gets cancelled, we get the equation minus x plus y equals to 5. Here minus x plus y equals to 5, which is the equation 4. Now operate with equation number 3 and operate with equation number 4. Now let's add equation number 3 and this is 4. The equation third is x plus y equals to 1 plus minus x plus y equals to 5. Here the coefficients are same and signs are opposite, that's why we are adding here. That means x minus x, it will be cancelled, y plus y, it will be 2y, 1 plus 5, it will be 6, therefore y equals to 3. Y divided by y equals to 6 divided by 2, y equals to 6 divided by 2, we will get 3. Place this value in equation third, means we get the value of y equals to 3. Place this value in equation third, which one is x plus y equals to 1, or you can put the value of this in equation 4 also. Wherever you want, wherever you feel convenient, you can put the value and calculate or find the value. Place this value in equation 3, that is x plus y equals to 1, that is x plus 3. The value of y is 3. Now put 3 instead of y equals to 1, that x as it is equals to as it is. Now change of this side to be minus 3, then we get the value of x equals to minus 2. Hence x, we get the value of x minus 2 and the value of y, that is 3, is the solution.